Hey, congratulations is in order for our next guest, Billy May. Today we are celebrating 20 years of May Electric and 15 years of solar electric. How has the industry changed during these 2 decades? Well, you know what? Let's go ahead and ask him ourselves. Billy, what is going on? It's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Hey, congratulations. I mean, this is a big milestone. Do you have those moments where you're like thinking back to just beginning year one and you're like, man, I can't believe that we are here and still doing what you enjoy, which is helping people, of course, with solar energy?
Yeah, it's been one heck of a ride for 20 years. Sometimes it feels like it's been longer, sometimes it doesn't.
Isn't it funny how that works out? Well, let's dive in. I mean, how have you seen the solar world change?
Drastically.
Yeah.
It's called a solar coaster for a reason. The technology is increasing. The warranties are much better now. When I started, it was a 1 year to maybe a 12-year warranty. Now we're at 30-year warranty on labor and equipment.
Mm-hmm. That's got to make your customers feel really good when you do get to roll out your warranty to them, right?
It's very reassuring, yes.
Oh, I'm sure. Why is that? Why have you seen the warranties increase so much?
The efficiency and technology has increased. The codes have increased. So a lot of the lower equipment that used to take the easy way out are forced by code to increase their productivity to be more efficient. And then we deal with good companies like Enphase and REC that have the best warranties in the industry.
Well, let's talk about, of course, you know, you mentioned the better technology. Let's talk about those tax incentives. I mean, I feel like those also go part of the solar coaster, as you say. What's the latest?
Well, the tax credits have expired, but solar in a whole, because of the advancements in the technology and the warranties, we're still at around an 8 to 12-year investment period. Mm-hmm. And that's what we used to install solar systems in for our first 10 years. So we're pretty much where we've been almost this entire time.
Do you feel that when you do meet with customers and talk to people that their reasonings for going solar have differed over the years and why people wanting to do that? Or is it still that same basic, I am tired of paying those electric bills?
Yeah, pretty much the same, but the electric rates are increasing.
Yes.
There's a lot of new homes in Florida. The infrastructure is being overloaded. Mm-hmm. So rates go up. That gets passed on to clients. And fortunately for our customers, those rates don't go up because they're not paying electric bills.
And then, of course, you know, you can rest assured that your power is going to continue, right, when there are other outages when it comes to your neighbors, perhaps.
Correct. Yeah, with a battery backup system, it's you don't even know that your power goes off or the neighborhood is out.
Wouldn't that be something? Okay, I do want to ask, though, of course, talking about the actual installation process, because I know that's one of the big reasons why you are able to celebrate 20 years of success, because it is your guys, your team that's doing the installation, right?
Correct. It's all in-house, no subcontractors. And with the solar coaster, if you depend on other people, people come and go in the industry. That's why a lot of companies don't make it.
Interesting.
May Electric has the infrastructure for surviving and thriving in the solar roller coaster, as I would say.
And I feel like that is what the 20 years shows, right? Well, we want to make sure and share the website so you can go. And you know what? Billy always likes to take care of our viewers, as a matter of fact. If you go ahead and place an order now, or at least get in touch with him, you may qualify for a free lighting surge protection with a battery or solar purchase. That's an $850 value, everybody. Good stuff. Billy, thanks for coming in and congratulations.
Thank you.